Be happy in front of people who don't like you. It drives them crazy. Those people, they want to see you crying. Sometimes don't be in tears in front of them because you will make them happy. Be happy even you know that it's difficult. Sometimes don't tell everyone your problems, especially you know those people, they don't like you, even you are a such big problem or what. Don't say anything. You have to pretend like everything is okay, because other people, they want to saw you crying. You know that it excites them to saw you in tears most of the time. It excites them. So sometimes pretend, be happy even you know that you don't have food or everything, it's not, maybe it's not okay. You have to pretend like it's okay, everything is okay. That's why some of other people, they don't want other people to know that they are broke, they don't have money, or everything is not okay, what. So sometimes you have to solve your problem, especially you know that you don't trust those people. You know that other people, they can pretend that when you have a problem, come to me, I will help you. Those people, they want to saw you in tears most of the time. So look very excited, happy, everything, like everything is okay. But you know that deep down it's not okay, because when you are crying, especially you are crying in front of your enemies, you are making them happy most of the time. So don't cry because they want to saw you crying. Other people, I don't know that what excites them to saw you crying. And especially those people, their lives, and they are not doing good in their lives because they want to saw other people crying. Guys, you know that sometimes God will punish you because you don't know, because the other people, guys, they have got I don't know the other people's hearts. What excites you to saw other person is hate, is crying? What is excites you? And you can ask yourself that what you did wrong to that person who can wish you bad things in your life, or to wish you saw you crying most of the time. Because other people, they can pretend to you, maybe you've got a problem, to come to comfort you, but in their heart they are happy, so sometimes we have to look like he, and everything is okay, even you know that. That's why you know other people, they, when they've got problem, they don't want to tell anyone because they don't trust people. They can pretend even in their marriages. Other people, they pretend, guys, even they know that they are not in good relationship, but they don't show people outside that they are fighting, because people, they love to saw those people fighting in their marriages, what.